LinkedIn recommendations are, in my view, the gold standard of social proof, and they're very important. It's not what we say about ourselves and about how good we are that's crucial. It's what other people say about us and about how we make people feel when we're not there that's important in personal branding. LinkedIn recommendations go a long way to enhancing that personal branding. A lot of people, when they have their LinkedIn recommendations, tend to leave them on their LinkedIn profile. Why not repurpose them, put them into a visual, put them onto something that people can see so that you can share it across other social media, namely things like Twitter, Instagram, and other things like that. It's very important to actually get that out there and to have it viewed by as many people as possible. So that's my LinkedIn 60-second seminar for today. Recommendations.